Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless pressure washers. With the Kress 20V Krosspack Brushless Portable Power Cleaner KG633E.9. Let's see if this powerful tool lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design and features. The Kress KG633E.9 comes with a sleek and compact design, making it easy to handle and store. Powered by Kress batteries, this cordless pressure washer gives you the freedom to clean practically anywhere. Plus, with its versatile 5-in-1 spray lance, you can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. The 5-in-1 spray lance offers different pressure modes, from a fine pinpoint spray to a wider spray for larger areas. And with a 6-meter hose included in the box, you have plenty of reach to get the job done. Now, let's talk performance. This pressure washer packs a punch, effortlessly lifting off tough stains and grime from surfaces like outdoor furniture, cars, and bikes. Plus, with its long-lasting battery life, you can tackle most outdoor jobs without having to worry about recharging. Overall, the Kress 20V Krosspack Brushless Portable Power Cleaner KG633E.9 is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that's perfect for small to mid-sized jobs. However, it's worth noting that it's sold as a tool-only item. So you'll need to purchase a battery and charger separately if you don't already own compatible ones. If you're in need of a portable and versatile cleaning tool that can handle a variety of tasks, then the Kress KG633E.9 is definitely worth considering. But if you prefer an all-in-one package with a battery included, you might want to explore other options. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.